Welcome back to a new video on my channel. This is yours faithfully baby TP and I'm back with a new video. Yes, we are back in the kitchen and we have a new cooking video just for you. We are going to cook something very new, very not typical, something exotic I would say. I will be making seafood boil. This is the first time that I'm going to make seafood boil. I have seen videos, reels, shorts, a lot of videos, so much that I have started craving for it and I'm saving my money monthly on monthly just to get this video today made. I have collected whatever seafood I could find at the store. Let me show you the ingredients first that we're going to need. First, the normal ingredients. So we are going to need sweet corn or any corn, whatever it is, as long as it's tender. Sweet corn, an onion, we're gonna need garlic, potato, king chili, fish sauce, of course king chili. So these are the vegetables that I have that I will be adding in our seafood boil dish today. Now let me show you the main star of this vlog. We have giant prawns, squid meat, clams, a lot of clams. Look at this. Okay, now let me show you something even better. We have giant crabs. Look at this size. Oh my god, it literally fits into my face. Like literally the size of my face. Look at how massive this is. Oh goodness. We are going to cook this tonight. So that are the ingredients that we're going to use for our seafood boil today. Now, to start, we have to begin with the broth. Now to make the broth of the vegetables that I showed you in the very beginning of the video, we are going to start with that. So people use huge pots to make seafood boil, but so I have this big pot. I have this one big pot that I own. This is the only big dish that I have in my home. Let's go. I'm gonna start with broth. You have to fill this dish with lots of water. This will be better. Salt. Salt is mandatory. We need salt. Okay, let's start by cleaning this potato. It's done. The sweet corn. Onion. So this onion is directly from Nagaland. This was grown in Nagaland in the farm organically. Look how big it is. It's huge. Like my whole hand fits in it. Shout out to the organic vegetables in Nagaland. I saw on the videos that usually people use white onions, but white onion was also out of stock. So we are going to improvise and use this beautiful homegrown organic onion. Done. It's gone. Okay, so I have all the vegetables that I need to set up right now in the broth. Let me first wash this. Ooh. Here we go. The potatoes into bite size. So in it goes. It's already full. Corns. Here goes. This cook. Okay. Let's chop this onion up into maybe 4 pieces. So let me do this right here. Yeah. Okay, it's so full. This vegetables has to be cooked for around 15 to 20 minutes. So while this is getting simmered and cooked on this side, I'm going to have to keep carrots for later because carrots get cooked very soon. Into the pot it goes. Start off by shrimp, the large shrimps that we got. Wow, let me put this on the side. We have clams, we have shrimp, squid meat, Squid meat, squid meat. The final boss, the giant crab. Ta-da! Ow! Go clean this out. It will take time, so I'll be right back. See you in a bit. Come back. So I have washed the prawns, shrimp or prawns. I have washed the clams. I have washed the squid meat. So all of this are ready. Now my biggest challenge is cleaning that big ass crab. So I am just going to keep these things aside. Let's start cleaning the crab. Okay, we have the crabs ready. I saw my dad cleaning this part of the crab. So let me try by doing this part first. I think it'll be quite easy. Yeah. So this one is out. And what about this? Maybe I should just take this out. Usually we can just pull this from here, like we can just pull this and set this apart. But I don't want to eat like that. I want to eat by chopping it here right in the middle. And we will just cook it like that. Do you see this dangerous spikes? It's so sharp. So freaking sharp. Look at this. Ooh, it's dangerous. It's so dangerous to look at. I'm going to try and cut it from the middle. Ah. Ooh, okay. Ooh. We have the crabs. Oh, nice. Look at this meat. Oh, wow. Tasty, tasty. We bring the second one. Turn it around. Ooh. I am so scared. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, look at the meat. This is juicy. Our crab is ready. Our prawns and our shrimp is ready. Clam is ready. Squid meat is ready. So everything is set. I'm gonna have a very delicious, luscious, scrumptious, appetizing meal. Chili or basil. What do you call this in your language? 3 of them. Fish sauce as well. Seasoning is very important. Putting the clams down. And let me just put some chili powder here as well. Now the crab. So I hope that my seafood does not spoil. Okay, this is done. I'm going to check when the clam opens up. Once the clam starts opening up, I think we would be ready with the crab as well. So we are gonna let this boil and cook. Okay, here, make use of the seasoning, of course, and make use of the seasoning. Ooh, the clams have opened. It's opened already. Wow. So I guess it's ready. So check how the crabs are. Ooh, wow. I think it's cooked real nice. Do you see that? It's already, the meat is white in color. Wow. Yeah, I think we are good. I think we're ready. I'm just gonna take this out, and we have to cook prawns and squid meat as well. I'm going to transfer the crabs and the clams into this. It's really well cooked. First piece. Ooh, the second one. Okay. Looks nice. Alright, out the clams. Look at that. Okay, I think we are done. Platter of crabs and clams. I heard that you just have to keep watch of the prawns and see when it turns red. So here goes the prawns. Big prawns. Now eat it like this. So this is the whole squid body. The garlic from earlier. This is where I will be making our precious tasty paste. Let me come here. Oh, I think it's ready because it's like bouncing around. So the recipe says that you have to use a whole block of butter. So I don't know if this whole full block of butter is a good idea or not, but the recipe says so. I gotta follow. Let me just cut them out. Ooh, one more block. Burn. Please don't burn. I love butter, but I've never eaten this much butter in one serving. So I hope it's worth it. Fresh king chili. This is a must. I think this one should do. I think one should do, right? It's quite big. I'm going to put our garlic paste. I hope I'm doing it correctly. I'm going to stir it so that it doesn't burn. Put some chili powder. A spoon? A spoon is a spoon okay? I know. I love chili, and if you like chili, I think we can be really good friends. We'll fight real good. King chili paste. Can we put some more fish sauce? I think it'll taste good. I will now be turning off this broth, the most dangerous looking broth. I think it's time for us to check our broth. I have our bite-sized carrots. I'm going to put this in as well. I love tomatoes, so let me just put a tomato or two. Here it goes. One more, a bigger one. There it goes. Alright, I think we are almost done with the shrimp. Look, it's almost red, right? Like it's red, so I think it's cooked. Let me try and find our squid. Oh my god, it's so small. The squid head, it's so small and so cute. Look at how small it became. It's so small now. I think we're almost ready. I'm just gonna wait for my tomatoes to cook. I'm going to take out this seafood and everything else and put it in a platter. Ooh la la. Our tomato is here. Wow. Alright, our seafood boil dish is ready. Here comes another platter. Here is our crabs and clams. And here is our prawns, squid, tomato, and carrot. Look at how pretty it looks. It looks so tasty, so delicious. We are ready to serve. Alright, so now everything is ready. We just have to eat it. But again, since the cooking took quite some time, I'm going to make part 2 for mukbang. Yes, there will be a separate mukbang for eating the seafood boil tonight. Also, you remember we made the broth for vegetables as well. We have our corn. So in the next video, I'm going to set the platter properly and make a tasty mukbang for all of us to enjoy. So please stay tuned. If you liked this cooking video today, please like, subscribe, share my channel, and I'll see you in the next video for the mukbang. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.